Oh, look at that. Oh, don't eat this every day. It's fabulous. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing the bacon fat breakfast toasty. That's right, you read it, you read the title, we're doing it. For all those people that are going to complain that you might not live until Monday, well look, lettuce sucking round a tree is on another channel, disappear. This is the bacon fat breakfast sarnie and we're using an air fryer, okay? Let's do it, come on. Right, we got some bacon. Now I'm using the streaky end. We've got an air fryer. We're going to take the basket out. We don't want that. We want maximum amount of fat. And then we're going to put this back in. So I'll put that there. I'm going to take our basket and we're going to chuck our bacon in there. It's as simple as that. It doesn't matter how it goes in, because if it curls up, it curls up. We're not bothered. We're not going for straight lines. I'm going to put all this pack in, you know, but you just put 6 rashers in or something. There's not much here. I'm going to eat it all. Fat boy. There you go. We've got that in there. Let's just bob that in there a minute. We'll start off whirring in a second. Right, we have a tomato. It's a breakfast sandwich. Now it has to be thin. It's going inside the sandwich, okay? And we want it to cook, so nice and thin. Just take your time. Maybe that's too thin. Okay, come a bit thicker. Okay. Well, I hope this cooks better than it looks. I've never seen such a white tomato. Must have been picked too early. There you go. Okay, I've got 3 eggs in here. I've got 3 small eggs. If you can get the large eggs, use 2 large eggs. Give it a bit of a beat, and we want a little bit of milk in here, about a tablespoon. Not much. In fact, you don't even have to go that. Just a couple of teaspoons. We just want a little bit to make it into like an eggy dip, you know. Now you can season your egg, a little bit of salt. In fact, I'm going to do pepper as well. There you go. We're just going to chuck that to one side. Air fryer on 200 degrees. Okay, and we're going to cook this bacon for about 7 minutes, thereabouts. And then we're going to check it. And we're going to cook it some more if we want. You know, we want all the bacon fat rendered out and cooked bacon. There you go. 7 minutes. Meanwhile, grab yourself a couple of thick slices of bread. Oh, come on. Oh, there you go. Right, what we need to be doing is just giving this a chuck around in there. It's still cooking, look. It's not cooked under there. You cook the bacon to how you want. We want to render out as much fat as possible and crispy up the bacon. It's entirely up to you what you like. Okay, if you like par-cooked bacon like that, carry on. In there. Back on. We want to get back on there, I reckon, for about 4 minutes. Boom, off it goes. It was such a simple cook. What we're going to do, we're going to get in 4 minutes, we're going to whip the bacon out and we're going to dunk the bread in the bacon fat. Mouth watering. Oh, now we're talking. Right, we want that out of there. We're going to use it again in a minute. Okay, that is looking amazing. Out of there, into there. Look at all that lush bacon fat in there. Dunk your bread in there. Soak it up. Right, we need to get that out of there. and we want to build our sanger. Now you want to go bread side down, okay, because we're going to dunk it in the egg. Right, what we have to do now is we have to put that in there, okay. Just leave that to one side a second, I hope you can see. So we want to be building this, okay. That looks like a bigger, wider slice on there. That lush bacon. Come on. Now I'm going overboard here. You know, you just put 2 rashers in if you want, but come on, we're doing a bacon butty. I think that might be enough actually. Just don't eat the bacon. On there. That thin sliced tomato. On there, grated cheese. It's a toasty. Give it a squidge, see if it'll hold. On there, bacon fat side down. Oh man. And then we want to be bringing in our beaten egg mixture, and that is going in there because we are going to dip it both sides. Before we dip this, we want to take a liner and put the liner in there, and then that is going to sit in there, and what's going to happen is the egg is going to stay on the bread. If we just dipped it and threw it in there, the egg is going to drip off through the basket. We don't want that. Now, it's a quick dip. Okay? Well, you don't really want to be soaking this. And I really could have gone, we're just using 2 eggs, look. There you go. We're going to come around the side. There you go. In your basket. Just like that. So that is our sanger. Just like that, look. Beautiful, sitting in there. Right, in there. Okay, we're on. And we're going 180 temp. And we're going to go 4 minutes. Boom. And then what we'll do, we'll bring it out, we'll cook for about another 4 or 5, and hopefully the egg should have solidified on the toast. Come on. Or on the bread, because it's not toast yet. Fabulous. There you go, out it comes. Oh, look at that. What you need to do now is take out your sandwich. We do not want it sat on there now. Put your sandwich back in. Peel off your liner. Ooh. Oh, it's taking a little bit of bread there. Look. On there. Jeez. Perfect. Back in the air fryer. And air fry for, I'm going to set it for 5, but we'll have a look in a couple of minutes. There you go. Oh, there we have it. Oh, look at that. That is one bubbling goodness right there. On there. Now it's got to be done straight through the middle. On there. Oh, we're in. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. Oh, here we are. Oh, I've got some brown sauce. Now do brown, do ketchup, do whatever. Oh, Oh yeah. That is, oh, my mouth is watering. Here we go. Oh, look at that goodness in there. Nice crispy bottom there, look, that's all egg, don't forget. We've got the egg on there with the cheese. It's going to be a right mess, this. Oh. Oh, don't eat this every day. It's fabulous. It's messy. It's delicious. It's off the charts. That is sensational. Absolutely bursting with flavour. Obviously we've used the bacon fat. We've got bacon. We've got cheese. We've got the egg on there. Oh, it's... and the tomato in the middle, you know. The tomato actually tastes all right, to say it was white. There you go. That's our bacon fat. A breakfast sandwich. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. But I don't think you would share this if you like this. In fact, it might be good not to share with your friends. Of course, it ain't an healthy one. But if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Mm-mm.